Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 31. Our learning goal for today says, I can build objects to 10. Hey, we did that yesterday with our counting series, right? We started at 1 and we went all the way up to 10. Oh man. Friends, why do you think we do things like that? Why do you think we show models of how numbers get bigger and bigger? Why do you think that's important? That's a hard one. Yeah, I don't know if you thought of it, but actually, by building 10 and going from 1 and going all the way to 10, it's helping our brains remember that each number actually stands for an amount. So, like 1 is smaller than 10, right? And our good picture helps to show that really quickly. If I said, hey, let's compare 2, which is way down here, and 9, which goes way up here to this tall tower. Friends, which one's bigger? Yeah, 9. And if our brain can make those good pictures on the inside, it helps us to answer questions about numbers on the outside. Okay, so I decided I wanted to be a little fancy today, and I'm going to take the little towers from each of the stair steps and I'm going to make bracelets. You want to help me? Oh, perfecto. So here's one, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my string. Oh, that's looking pretty nice. It's a little empty though, so let's do another one. Let's do 2 on a bracelet. Oh yeah, that looks a lot nicer. Oh yeah. I can see now that I had 1 and then 2 is growing and kind of filling up that bracelet a little bit more. I bet 3 is going to really fill up the bracelet. Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, I cannot stand it because it looks so good that I'm just going to do all of them. So here we go. Can you count with me? And I'm going to put everything on my bracelets as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah. Look at all those fancy bracelets, friends. Oh, I'm so glad I used those objects to fill up my bracelets. Now, friend, what do you notice? What do our bracelets tell us about the numbers? Let's see. Let's look at 7 and 10. Which one is bigger, do you think? Which one has more objects in it, 7 or 10? Yeah, we can probably quickly say we don't have to count. Look at how full my bracelet is at 10. And there's kind of a big empty space right there in 7. So 10's probably definitely bigger. What about 3 and 8? What could we say about 3 and 8? How would you describe the bracelets 3 and the bracelets 8 to a friend? How about go ahead and press pause? Talk to your neighbor. What do you guys think? Press play so we can talk about it. Okay, yeah, I agree. 3 doesn't look like it's that much compared to 8, right? This 8 bracelet's pretty full, and this 3 bracelet's kind of tiny, right? There's lots of empty space. So we could say the bigger the number, the more objects there are to show its value or how much it's worth, right? And our pictures of our bracelets in those towers really help us to understand that. All right, this is great. Our learning goal said I can build objects to 10, and that's what we did using our good bracelets. We talked about doing that helps our brains to like make a good picture of what each number is worth or its value. Okay, this is what I would like you to do for your exit ticket, friend. I want you to talk to me about my 4 bracelet and my 9 bracelet. What are some things you notice about 4 versus my 9 bracelet? Think about what you see. I want you to go to make a video describing the differences you see between them, okay? All right, good luck, friends.